Hi everyone, this is Devasis Padi. Today we will discuss the final year topic of software engineering, that is nothing but software project management. If you develop a software and for developing that software, how to manage the software, and management in the sense different types of people involved in the project, different types of risk involved in the project, cost involved in the project, time involved in the project, all the things comes under the management. Okay, so how to develop a software in a company, and if we develop a software in a company, what are the different management factors involved in the company, we will discuss in today's lecture. Okay, so let us start today's topic, that is known as software project management. So first we will discuss what is generally a software project. All of you know that generally a project is nothing but a task. Okay, project is nothing but a task, a work. In generally, in layman words, if you consider a project means a work or a task where a group of people are involved. Okay, a project is a group of tasks. Okay, group of tasks means group of people are involved in this task that need to complete to reach a clear result. Okay, what is the outcome of a project? The outcome of a project is the final result. A project also defines as a set of inputs and outputs which are required to achieve a goal. In generally, a project involves a set of inputs, and if we process the input, automatically some outputs are there in the project, and generally the outputs are generally used to achieve a certified goal, to achieve a certain goal. Okay, and project can vary from simple project to a difficult project, and in a project one person can be involved or hundreds of people can be involved. Next, project usually described and approved by a project manager or team executive. Okay, generally in a project a lot many people are involved, and in a project the main person is the project manager, or you can say that a team executive. Okay, in a project there is a hierarchical layer is there, tester team is there, software coder is there, software engineers are there, okay, team leader is there, project manager is there. So in a project the main important thing is the main person is the project manager. They go beyond their expectation and objects, and it is up to the team to handle logistic and complete the project on time. Okay, so always the important thing is the project always completed on a specified time, on a stipulated time. Otherwise the project is not a successful project. For good project development, some teams split the project into specific tasks so they can manage responsibility and utilize team strength. Okay, generally a big project can be divided into small parts, and every part will be delivered to a specific members, so that the project completion period is so small, or you can say that project is completed in a smoothly manner. Okay. Big task can be divided into small tasks, and this small task can be delivered to different types of groups. Okay. Then what is generally software project management? Software project management is an art and discipline of planning and supervising software project. Okay. It is a sub-discipline of software project management in which software projects are planned. Generally, first project is planned, how the different parts are developed. Then it is implemented. Implemented means code will be written and monitored and controlled. Okay, that is known as nothing but my maintenance phase. Okay, in the software development life cycle, if you can say that this is known as my requirement analysis or feasibility study phase, this is known as design and coding phase, and design, coding and implementation phase, and monitored and control means maintenance phase. Okay, it is a procedure of managing, allocating and timing resources to develop computer software that fulfills the requirement. Okay, project management is nothing but allocating different types of resources for developing the project. Different types of resources means the software, the computer, the internet facility, all the things belongs to the resources of the software. And timing must be there. Within 1 year, within 6 months, within 2 years, my project will be developed. Okay, so that the requirement will be fulfilled. In software project management, the client and the developers need to know the length, period and cost of the project. This is very important. In software project management, the client side and the developers who will develop the project, and client side means who will use the project, the end users of the project, will know the length period of the project. Length period means in how many days the project will be completed. Okay, and the cost of the project. Okay, that is the very important. Timing and the cost is very important while developing the project. Then what are the different important things while developing the software is what I have already told you. The time must be important, cost must be important, and quality of the software must be important. Okay, so time, cost and quality are the prerequisites of software project management. Then what is generally project manager? I have already told you. The head of the project is known as project manager. Project manager. Like your principal, head of the college is known as principal, or you can say that dean of the college. Similarly, in a project, the main head of the project is nothing but no project manager. Project manager controls the whole project. Okay. So project manager is a character who has the overall responsibility, whole responsibility for the planning of the project, designing of the project, execution, monitoring, controlling and closure of a project. Okay. The whole responsibility is upon the project manager. Okay. A project manager represents an essential role in the achievement of the project. Next, a project manager is a character who is responsible for giving decisions. Whatever decisions taken is the responsibility of the project manager, both large and small project. In every project, project manager has the responsibility for taking the decisions. The project manager is used to manage the risk and minimize uncertainty. If any type of risk will be arised in project, then that will be managed by the project manager. Every decision the project manager makes must directly profit the project. If any type of decision the project manager takes, that will give rise the profit for the project. Then what is the role of a project manager? First one is the leader. A project manager must lead his team and should provide them direction to make them understand what is expected from all of them. Okay, the project manager manages the whole team. Okay, and give necessary direction, necessary information for the development of a project. Okay, second thing is medium. The project manager is a medium between his client and his team. Okay, you can say that he is a media between the client side and between his team. whatever different types of requirement from client side, he will transfer to the team members, and the team members develop the small software, and that will deliver to the project manager, and project manager will discuss to the client side whether the requirement will be correct or not. Then he must coordinate and transfer all the appropriate information from the client to his team and report to the senior manager. What I have already told you, different types of information transformation between the client side and the team will be managed by the project manager. Then third one is the mentor. He should be there to guide his team at each step and make sure that the team has an attachment. Okay, he will guide the team whenever the team members require some guidance. Okay, he provides a recommendation to his team and points them in the right direction. Okay. Next, what is the responsibility of a project manager? He will manage the risk and different types of issues, create the project team and assign tasks to several team members, activity planning and sequencing, monitoring and reporting progress, modifies the project plan to deal with the situation. Okay, that means you can say that all the risk and responsibility that will arise in the project will be handled by the project manager. If the project is successful, the credit goes to the project manager. If any type of problem will be there, that also goes to the project manager. Okay. So this is all about your software project management. You can say that a project is nothing but generally a software, and software is nothing but you can say that it is a programs, and program is nothing but number of instructions, number of lines written in a specific language. Okay, and the different role of a project manager. So this is all about your software project management. Thank you.